Hello, my name is Jo and welcome back to my channel Urban Life Hacks. So this video is of course the result of the giveaway that I've been running since the last 2 weeks, and I want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel and writing all of these great amazing comments that you have done. And मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा इतने सारे अच्छे comments पढ़ के और बहुत motivation भी मिलता है of course. तो आपने मुझे कुछ दिया है तो अब मेरा चांस है आपको कुछ देने का उसके बदले, और आज होंगे रिजल्ट्स ऑफ माय गिव अवे. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. ओ बाय द वे, मैं अपने डेस्क पे हूँ आज. why don't I just show you my desk? Okay, let me show you my desk. So that is my desk. There's this scenery here. I actually quite love this scenery. It's really nice. And here is my desk. Oh, I should actually go far away so that you can see it. So this is how it looks like. It's a makeshift desk because in Corona times we have to work from home. और मेरे हस्बैंड ने एक बड़ा वाला डेस्क ले लिया हमारा, तो ये मैंने ले लिया. यहाँ पे मैंने एक सोफ़ा लगा दिया बैठने के लिए इंस्टेड ऑफ अ चेयर बिकॉज इट्स सो कम्फर्टेबल बिकॉज आई स्पेंड सो मच टाइम हियर. और यहाँ पे एक नोट पैड हमेशा पड़ा रहता है ये वाला बिकॉज आई राइट अ लॉट ऑफ नोट्स एंड आई राइट नोट्स एवरीवेयर. एंड दिस इज़ माई वर्क लैपटॉप which is usually attached to this screen, this big screen, and that's my MacBook Pro where I do all my creative work and edits and editing and all sorts of cool stuff happens on this desk. And this is a folder where I keep all my notebooks. Whenever I want to write something, I quickly pick up. These are some other of my cell phones and pens, etc. My earphones. My earphones I really love. These are these Bluetooth ones. And that's pretty much it. And I have got microphone going on here so that you get a clear sound quality. So while I'm here, let me do this. Let me show you how I selected my winners. So what I've done is I went to this website called commentpicker.com, and this website is really great actually. You just put one name here, one URL here, and after you say get YouTube comments, and then it just gets you YouTube comments. So for example, I show you. Okay, Jo Kapoor. I go to my YouTube channel and I do that, and I pick up this. Okay, let me put the volume off so that you don't hear that. Paste here and I say okay, comment, filter on the basis of some words. Let's say I say good, and I get YouTube comments, and the amount of unique commenters who have written good one, anything like good, they have been chosen. And then I would say okay, start, and then it picks up randomly. And here it is. This was just an example. Sorry Rohan, this is not the result. The results I already did last night. So here is my sheet which I've created. So here are all the videos which are eligible for this giveaway, and here are all the winners that have been picked up by the comment picker website. So yeah, I just wanted to show you all these things so that you know that there has been completely honesty about how I have selected the winners. So that's that. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my pages again, and I'm gonna write down all of these names on these sheets of papers that are ready, and then we're gonna pick up one winner. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna fold this like really tiny so I also got bowl here. So inside I'll make this. There is my bowl. So all the names are here. I'm very excited, and I'm gonna pick up just 3 chits out of these, and those will be the winners. If they do not reply to me or something in 1 week, then the rest of the chits one by one I will keep taking out and reaching out to these people. So ready? Ta-da! The first name is, I'm so excited. So the first name for the giveaway is Sachinder Kumar Singh. Okay, my handwriting is absolute crap, but here it is. Sachinder Kumar Singh. Congratulations, you're the first winner. You're gonna get 1,000 rupees in Amazon voucher. And then the second name is this is the second name, Raj Gupta. Okay. congratulations Raj, and thank you for writing me a comment, and thank you for participating in this giveaway. And I already have picked up the third name, and that is Anson Anthony. So yeah, congratulations Anthony. So thank you for participating in the giveaway. I am so happy. बहुत congratulations to those who have won, and those who have not won, please believe me, this is not going to be my last giveaway. इस चैनल पे giveaways होते ही रहेंगे और कुछ ना कुछ नया चलता ही रहेगा. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगी इसको entertaining और collaborative और engaging बनाए रखने की इस चैनल को. So thank you for watching and ciao till next time.